Hello students, in the last lecture we have discussed about the various rules for image formation. That is, for a concave mirror and convex mirror, when a ray is incident parallel, it will always pass through the focus. Second, when ray passes through the focus, it will become parallel to the principal axis. Then when a ray passes through the center of curvature, it will be normal to the mirror and it will retrace its path. Similar for convex mirror also. And when a ray is incident at any angle, it will be reflected back in the same medium with the same angle, because we know that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Now we will discuss the image formation by a concave mirror. We will use these rules to find out the position, nature of the image formed by the concave mirror. First is, when object is placed beyond C, beyond C, that is at infinity. When the object is at infinity, the rays coming from this object are parallel to the principal axis, and we know that when the rays are parallel, it will pass through the focus after reflection from the mirror. So this is a parallel ray, this is also a parallel ray, another is along the principal axis, so all will pass through the focus. The ray which is passing through the center of curvature, it will retrace its path. So all these rays will meet at F after reflection from the mirror. So the image formed is at the focus of the concave mirror. So when the object is at infinity, the image is formed at the focus of the mirror. So we have this table. When the object is at infinity, image is formed at the focus and it will be highly diminished, point in size, and it is real and inverted. We know that when the rays actually meet at a point, all the rays are passing through this point, so the image will be real, and real image is always inverted. So it will form real and inverted image. The second case, when the object is beyond C. This is your center of curvature and the object is beyond C. This is your principal axis. So when object is beyond C, first we will take a ray which is incident parallel to the principal axis, and the ray which is parallel, it will always pass through the focus, and the ray which is passing through the center of curvature, it will retrace its path, and the ray which is incident along the principal axis, it will be normal to the mirror, it will also retrace its path. So the image is formed between C and F. So when the object is beyond C, the image will be formed between C and F. And this image is also real because rays are actually passing through this point where image is formed. So the image is real and inverted. So when the object is beyond C, the image is formed between F and C, and it will be diminished, real and inverted. The third case, when the object is at C, that is at the center of curvature. The ray which is parallel, it will pass through the focus. Ray which passes through the focus, it will becomes parallel. So all these rays after reflection meet at this point. Meet at this point. So image is formed at here. So when the object is at C, image is also at C. It is real. Rays are actually passing through this point where image is formed, and it is inverted. So and it is also of the same size as that of the object. So now see the table. When the object is at C, the image is at C, it is of same size, it is real and inverted. Now next case. When the object is between C and F. When the object is between C and F, we will take a ray parallel to the principal axis. It will pass through the focus. Ray which is incident normal to the mirror, it will pass through the center of curvature. The ray is normal. This ray is normal to the mirror. It will pass through the center of curvature. So after reflection, they will meet, they will intersect at this point. The image is formed at here. So therefore, when the object is between C and F, the image is formed beyond C. It is real and inverted. So when the object is between C and F, image is formed beyond C. It is enlarged, real and inverted. Next case, when the object is at F. So here the object is placed at focus. So the ray which is parallel, it will pass through the focus. The ray which is normal, it will pass through the center of curvature. They will not intersect. As you see here, after reflection, both the rays are parallel. They will not intersect each other. When we extend it, they will not intersect. They are parallel to each other. So the image is formed at infinities, because when the object is infinity, the rays coming from the object at infinity are considered to be parallel. So the rays here are parallel, it means the image will be formed at infinity. So look at the table. When the object is at F, image is formed at infinity. It is highly enlarged, real and inverted. Next case, between P and F. When the object is between P and F. So here this is pole, this is focus, and the object is between P and F. The ray which is incident at any angle, it will be reflected with the same angle. Ray which is normal, it will pass through the center of curvature. They will not intersect each other on this side. They will intersect when extended geometrically on this side. The rays are now not actually passing through these points. So this image is virtual, and virtual image is always erect. Real image is always inverted. Keep it in mind. Real image is inverted. Virtual is virtual image is always erect. Virtual image is always erect. So you have to keep on practicing these ray diagrams. These are always asked in the board exam, and you have to learn where the image is formed at different positions of the object. So this table should be learned by. So these are the image formation for the concave mirror. Now uses of concave mirror. Where concave mirror is used. So concave mirror is used in torch, searchlight, in vehicle headlights to get powerful parallel beam of light. They are used in shaving mirrors. These are the uses. The dentist uses concave mirror to see the large image of the teeth of the patient. Large concave mirror are used to concentrate sunlight to produce heat in solar furnace. So concave mirror is used in torches. As you have seen, concave mirror is used in torches. Why it is used in torches? So see this ray diagram. This ray diagram. When the object is placed at the focus, the ray becomes parallel after reflection. So in case of torch also, here in place of object, a bulb is placed. Bulb is fixed at the focus. And in torch, the surface is concave behind this bulb. So when the rays fall on this surface like this, they becomes parallel. That's why concave mirror is used in torches, in searchlight also. Similar is the case for searchlight also. In case of searchlight also, there is a bulb, surface is concave, and the rays after reflection becomes parallel. In vehicle of headlights, so similar thing happen in case of headlight of vehicles also, to get parallel beam of light. Now they are used in shaving mirror. Why it is used in shaving mirror? So see this diagram. Concave mirror is used as shaving mirror because the image formed by concave mirror when the object is between P and F is virtual and erect, highly magnified. So when a person keep his face between P and F, the image of his face becomes large. So the large image of his face can be seen in this concave mirror. So this will help for easy shaving. That's why it is used in shaving mirror. And also it is used by dentist to see the teeth of the patient. Concave mirror also concentrates sunlight to produce heat because see this diagram, the rays which are parallel are concentrated by the concave mirror at its focus. So large amount of heat is concentrated at this point. So excessive heats appear at this point. That's why it is used in solar furnace. So tomorrow we will discuss about image formation by convex mirror. So till then, practice these ray diagrams and learn what type of image is formed by concave mirror. But first of all, you should have to learn the rules, okay? Different type of rules. If these rules are remembered to you, learned to you, then you can easily form the image. Thank you.